Secondly, we will link your company website and your LinkedIn profile down here in the show notes. Can you give us like a very short pitch of what would be the use case for European companies using your tool?
Yeah. So one of the hardest things actually for a lot of large organizations in particular with AI regulations is that they don't even know where and how AI might be used inside their organization, which means you don't know your exposure to the different laws. So the first thing our tool helps you do is build up an inventory of your AI. That's your AI use cases, your AI models, your vendors, some of the data sets being used. We can actually help evaluate what documentation you need for each of those, help you conduct some of the risk assessments to understand what are the risks of my AI. We combine a lot of insights on top of that. The whole idea being that AI is a fast changing space. There might be new risks that emerge, whether it's new cyber attacks, new exploits, or also new recommended mitigations against some of those risks. We deliver that straight into our platform to help organizations actually be aware of, hey, I'm using a chatbot and there's an incident over here where a chatbot unfortunately convinced a teen to commit suicide. Maybe you should run this test to look for this, implement this mitigation in order to reduce this kind of risk. And we track all the different regulations around the world to help identify, hey, maybe there's a new requirement that's coming out of Canada that includes you to look at the environmental impact. And you haven't done that for some of these AI systems. So we can highlight that, keep you aware of that. The whole goal is to make staying on top of maintaining your AI systems as easy as possible, especially as either you have a lot of AI deployed in your org or you're having to comply with a lot of different laws. Our tool adds a lot of value. We're doing all of the heavy work on, I'll say, the mental workload of figuring out what you need to document, how to do so. We can integrate into your system to help keep things in sync as well.